Learning more about the planet of SEO. SEO, search engine optimization, may be a tool that folks use on the web so as to extend an inquiry engine's response to your internet site. As an example, the phrase, "This internet site is all about dogs," often became a phrase, "This dog internet site has dog information, dog food, dog articles, and dog training techniques." The primary phrase might not be noticed during a program like Google or Yahoo. When someone types within the word dog, the likelihood that the program will return the online site's URL are going to be very low. Unlike the second phrase, if a user types within the word dog, since there are tons of instances where the word dog was used, the likelihood that the program will return the online site URL is high. Guys, if this is your first time seeing a video on this channel, please subscribe by clicking the bell icon, and if you like the video, please hit the like button. Increasing the usage of a word in a piece of writing is named increasing keyword density. Once you say that you simply want to extend your keyword density to 5, you'll be employing a keyword 5% of the time during a given article. As an example, the subsequent paragraph features a keyword density of 13% because it had been used 6 out of 45 times within the paragraph. For instance, once you have a dog within the house, you'll never be bored. You'll talk or run together with your dog. You'll even train your dog to play an instrument. You'll even hold a business conference together with your dog and practice for your next business presentation. Don't expect your dog to offer you feedback. Increasing your keyword density will increase the response of your internet site to look engines. So if you would like people to go to your internet site, consider what a user will type during a program. After this, increase the keyword density of that word in your internet site. This is often an excellent thanks to increase web traffic to your internet site. All websites must be optimized. If you're a marketing company, then you ought to optimize your internet site to further increase your market. If you're a charitable institution, then you ought to increase your internet site traffic so as to seek out more donations from the general public. If you're a man that simply lacks attention, then you'll simply optimize your internet site to urge that fame you've got always dreamed of. Program optimization or SEO is significant for internet site success. You'll always need to use it to your advantage. If you want more detailed information and expertise about SEO and keyword tools, look for the link in the description box and click it to learn more about SEO and keyword tools from specialists. Please subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this.